Hi guys, this is Anne and I'm going to be making a smoothie. These are wild greens that I normally use. They're called muchunga and I have no name for them in English. If you have a name for them, that would be awesome. That's in Kiswahili. So I'm going to make a smoothie. So it's going to be this. It's going to be a handful of this stuff, coconut water. You can use water. Today is just a special day. Treating myself. Okay, crap. Okay, it's not focusing. My bad. Then I'm going to put one nice mango. I'm supposed to put like 2 bananas. And then I'm going to put seaweed. I had gotten seaweed from the oceans and they had foraged from here, you'd see. And then I dried it and then I crushed it, and then that's what's left. I'll just put like half a teaspoon and then 1 cup of water. I'll put this maybe 1.5 because it's those small cups. Yes, that is it. Then I'll put everything in the blender and then I show you. Okay, I've put everything except for the 2 bananas. I put the water, I put the coconut water, I put the mangoes, I put the greens, and I put the seaweed, the powder. So it's only the bananas, because I find if you blend with the bananas they have a weird taste. So yeah, that's how I have been doing it, and it works for me. And also because my blender is not as powerful as most blenders people call Vitamix. Mine is a Kenyan brand that it does shit. Anyway, it is very nice blender. It served me for 2 years with I think 4 repairs so far. Yes. So let me blend. Okay, that's how it looks. It's a little bit on the thick side for me, so I'm going to add more water. Then I just think I'll add half a cup. So that's the amount I'm adding. There you go. This time all I'll do is just stir it up. Yeah. Let me put it in a... I've gone to better lighting, so that's the color of the smoothie. Let me do a taste. It's bitter, but I like it because it has that bittersweet taste. Yes, you can try that smoothie. Very nice. Very, very nice. Bye.